Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account on the Tome app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Tome application on your device. And once you open it up, you will directly be taken into the app where you can start browsing through various different wallpapers. And if you look around within the app, you will not find any option which asks you to sign up or log in, which means you do not need to sign up or log in to any account in order to use the Tome app. You can browse through the featured, popular, as well as live wallpaper sections, and you can also browse by categories by tapping on the categories option at the bottom section. If you wish to clear any application data, you can simply clear the application cache from the app info page. And there you have it. That is all there is to know about signing up for the Tome application on your device. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.